Hi, this tutorial about TouchDiffusion, real-time image generation with Stable Diffusion and TouchDesigner. Why do we need another component for this? Firstly, it's real-time generation using StreamDiffusion and TensorRT. Performance examples are now on the screen. Secondly, it's inferenced directly in TouchDesigner. With top array, the entire generation process works on the GPU, reducing latency and increasing performance. Additionally, generation only occurs if the input image changes, which reduces hardware load. Moreover, it's a free component. Thanks for your support on Boosty. Let's get started. The link to the component is in the video description. You need TouchDesigner version 2023. Download and install Python version 3.11. During the installation, select Add Python to Path and disable Path Length Limit. Download and install Git. Download and install Cuda Toolkit 11.8. After this step, you need to restart your PC. Download TouchDiffusion and extract the archive. Open webui but with text editor. And add the path to Python 3.11. If you don't know the path to it, open CMD window and enter the command as shown in the video. Save the changes and run webui but. The first launch will install some components. After that, you will see a link to go to the web interface. Open the Install and Update tab and click Update Dependencies. The installation process can take about 10 minutes, depending on your internet connection. If an error window appears during the installation, click OK several times. The installation status will be displayed in the input string. Fix pop-up will fix the previous error. Do not click it if no error window appeared. Close webui but. The installation is complete. The models need to be converted to the engine format. Let's download a model for this. Only 1.5 models are supported, with float 16. In Save Tensors format. Copy the model file to the Models Checkpoints folder. Run webui but. Select the model type. Select the model file. Set engine resolution. This resolution will be fixed. It can only be changed by creating another engine. Set the number of sample steps and also LoRa for acceleration. A small note: resolution and the number of steps affect the speed and quality of generation. Therefore, it's worth starting with small values. Click Make Engine. Internet connection is required for engine preparation. The process can take about 10 minutes, depending on your hardware specifications. Once the engine is ready, you will see message in the output window with the selected settings and approximate speed. Now let's select the turbo model. It will be automatically downloaded in the necessary format. After the process is completed, you will see a message in the output string. After preparing models, you can close the webui bot window, create a TouchDesigner project, and add TouchDiffusion talks. In the settings, you need to specify the folder where webui bot is located. Save and reload project. Starting the project will take longer than usual. Let's make a simple example for testing. In the Settings tab, update the engine list. When selecting an engine, its parameter will be displayed. To start, click Load Engine. During engine loading, TouchDesigner will freeze for a while. You can remove the error by clicking Load Engine again. Data output shows the component status. Let's add color noise and fit. In the Stream tab, there are parameters for control. In simple terms, denoising strength control how much the final image will differ from the initial one. The seed parameter changes the variance. Alpha controls the transparency of dark shades, which can be useful for feedback loop. Prompt changes the desired image. If you watched video up to this point and decide to buy me a coffee, you can do this on Boosty. Thanks for watching!